Okay, hello guys. So, for today's video is ituturo ko sa inyo guys kasi marami kasing nagre-request kung paano daw mag-withdraw dito sa Tala. Okay, so ito yung mga request ng ating mga players dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, bisitahin niyo aking YouTube channel guys, Barney Tutorial Channel. Marami kayong makikitang video dito guys. Ayan yung ating mga video tutorial. So marami dito, meron din tayong load paano mag regarding po sa mga loading. Yan. Okay, so ito yung tanong ng ating nakapag-register siya but nanalo siya but alam niya kung paano mag-withdraw. So ito yung tanong niya, paano ba mag-fill for dwelling ko kasi di ko ma-withdraw eh. Okay, so sinagit ko naman yan yung withdraw yung paano mag-withdraw. Okay, so for today's video is ituturo ko guys kung paano mag-withdraw. Okay, so ito yung account nyo. Pagbukas nyo agad ito, agad yung makikita nyo. So okay, so pinutin na lang po natin tong parang may wallet. Ito yung wallet guys. Okay, so tapos side po ng deposit is meron dyan na withdrawal, PHP withdrawal. So example, withdraw natin yung ating laman na 874. So sabi niya paano ba mag fill up ng withdrawal. So ito yun guys. So buksan nyo yung withdrawal. Yan, dito withdrawal information. So fill upan lang po niyo yan guys. Yan, lagay nyo dyan, example yan, lagay nyo yung pangalan nyo dyan kung anong pangalan na yung GCash. Yan, Juan. Tapos lagay nyo yung bank account number. So hindi ibig sabihin na bank account number is ibang account na yan. So GCash yung ilalagay natin at yung account number naman is yung GCash pa rin natin. Tapos save. Yan po yung paglagay ng withdrawal. Okay, so pag save na yung withdrawal information nyo guys is pwede na kayo mag-withdraw.